have vendor bills sitting in Excel, emails, or another system, entering them one by one into QuickBooks is a bottleneck. It is slow and it introduces errors like wrong dates or split invoices. Today, I am going to show you how to solve this using SaasAnt transactions. It is not just an importer, it's a complete workflow automation platform designed to get data into your books safely and accurately. Let's look at the workflow. Step 1 is the upload. You select bills and drop in your file. Step 2 is mapping, but you will not be doing much work here. You will notice SaasAnt intelligently maps your Excel columns to QuickBooks fields automatically, so this step is really just a review. You have total control here to map every single field available in QuickBooks. If your file is missing a column like location or tax code, you can set a default value right here so every bill gets coded correctly, or you can use override to force specific values for this batch. Once you're happy, you save this mapping so next time it is fully automated. Step 3 is the review grid. This is your safety net. I always do a quick scan here to ensure multi-line bills are grouped correctly by bill number. If anything looks off, you fix it right in the grid before it ever touches your books. Then click Upload. Now, let's refine the workflow. In the settings, you can toggle options to fit your specific goal. For example, if you are onboarding a new client, turn on Auto Create Vendors so the process flows without stopping. To prevent duplicates, ensure Use Reference Numbers from File is on, which forces QuickBooks to respect the invoice numbers from your spreadsheet. Now here is where SaasAnt really shines as an automation platform. Rules. You can customize exactly how data lands in your books. You can set rules with almost any field for a transaction or a list, with all kinds of conditions in relation to other fields. For example, you can say, if the description contains subscription, automatically set the class to overhead. This ensures consistency without you having to touch the Excel file. And finally, for a truly hands-off workflow, you can use scheduled imports. You can set SaasAnt to watch an email or FTP folder. When your operations team drops a file there, SaasAnt picks it up and processes it automatically based on your saved mapping and rules. So you're not just importing bills, you're building a repeatable, automated AP workflow. And remember, this platform handles the full life cycle, whether you need to bulk update fields later, delete bad data, or clean up your books, SaasAnt gives you that control. My advice is to start with a small test batch using our free trial and then let the automation handle the rest.